First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, whatever rain we're getting today is not really in comparison to what we're looking at for Sunday. Sunday's really the day that we're going to keep an eye to the sky, keep our weather radios on, make sure that we're prepared and ready just in case everything comes together for what could be severe weather here in southern Kentucky and for a large portion of the Ohio Valley. Here's a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar. All we're seeing out there right now is just some very light rain showers, even just sprinkles for the most part. Not everybody's getting wet, but we've heard from some of you on Facebook and Twitter that you're getting a little bit of light rain out of some of this right now. Madisonville, down across the Kentucky-Tennessee border, some of that's falling, but the air's still very dry at the surface, so not everything is hitting the ground, even though we're getting a lot of returns on the radar screen here. We're currently at 52 degrees. The concern is Sunday, specifically Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. We think that's going to be the prime time. We're getting strong to severe thunderstorms in the area, and as you can see, the entire state of Kentucky painted in yellow here. That's the Storm Prediction Center saying we're under a slight risk for severe storms everywhere in the WBKO viewing area. And what we're anticipating is a line of storms. A squall line will go from west to east Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening, but there could be, if we get a little daytime heating, a little sun breaking through the clouds before the line gets here, that could aid in the instability and pop individual, what we call discrete supercell thunderstorms, which could produce severe thunderstorms and possibly a few tornadoes. That part is uncertain, but we do know heavy rains, strong winds will certainly be the case Sunday afternoon. So stay connected here. Stay up to date on everything as we go through the weekend. Now, let's show you what's going on as far as the severe weather toolkit. We want you to know this at our website, WBKO.com. On the weather page, you'll see this yellow box there with all the things you need: text alerts, our apps, weather maps, and more, including webcams, live stream. Know the weather before it knows you. That way you get prepared for the worst, and let's all hope for the best, that it doesn't turn out to be so bad, and then we can all say we're prepared for the next event, and you know there will always be that next event. Here's a look at mesonet temperatures in the upper 40s to the west, where we're getting a little bit of rain, but more in the low to mid 50s out east, where we're seeing less in the way of overcast skies and less in the chance of showers there. And as we're looking down our weather cam from Scottsville Road in front of the Bowling Green Airport, it is a cloudy day, 52 degrees with the winds calm, 60% humidity, and the barometer's falling. Back to the west, skies cloudy in Greenville. You're seeing 49 degrees currently. In Litchfield, cloudy, maybe a sprinkle or two, temperature at 51. As we head west to Russellville, 52 with a few raindrops there. And as we look at temperatures regionally, mostly 40s and 50s, 51 at the airport at this hour, which is 2 degrees warmer than at midday yesterday. Now, on the 12-hour radar, we're seeing this little bit of instability coming out of the Gulf of Mexico. But again, this is very unorganized stuff, and it's only coming up here because we've got high pressure, which is now moving well east of us. So the flow is opening up the Gulf of Mexico. The heavier rains are further south of our area. But for the rest of today, mostly cloudy, a sprinkle, maybe a passing light rain shower, and then this feature is out of the way. Overnight tonight, we'll see just a partly cloudy to mostly cloudy sky. Warm front lifts northward through the area tomorrow, and that's going to help ramp up the winds. In fact, tomorrow, some 10, 20, even 30 mile per hour wind gust, and much warmer than today. And then the clouds increase as we get into Saturday night. Sunday, it's all about the timing with this, and if we do get any sunshine before our big cold front starts to move in, and that's when our concern raises about the possibility of severe thunderstorms and the tornado threat as well. Mostly cloudy with a chance of showers this afternoon, or a sprinkle or two, 58. Then for tonight, cloudy with a chance of a sprinkle and 45. Tomorrow, just a warm and windy 67, 72 Sunday with that threat of severe weather, heavy rain, gusty winds, and then we get another Arctic blast beginning Monday and then through the middle of next week with high temperatures only getting into the 40s. So stay connected here and online and on our apps all throughout the weekend, and we will keep you up to date. We'll be back with more Midday in just a minute.